What's up, guys? It's your boy Giovanni Brown, and if you're hearing the sound of my voice, you're watching a new movie on Richard Brown Films. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and like and share the video up. And guys, we're almost at 200,000 subscribers. So I want you guys to go down and hit that subscribe button right now because we want to reach 200,000 before the end of this year. Babes, you know, so I go up on the road, I get Jimmy a one link.
Every day, so again.
I don't like that, man. It's a money Jimmy did have for me. And he called me and tell me saying just collect up some money from somebody. And you know what, use this some for just link him.
You know, say every day you left good. When time you go to work and you get there from sitting, you don't stay at no time.
Babe, I say internet, buy a pop down from when and the place boring. That's why you see me go a road more while.
Buy plan. More you carry me in a town for go pick up one package because my back hurt me. You can't drive going like that.
Alright, me just zips go link Jimmy and come back and me just care. By the time I come back, we done what I do.
But me practically finished now.
It not take me long time, soon come back, man.
You see, if you soon come back, I'll late in the night.
If me go over 5 minutes, just call me.
And then me not get a phone.
Me got ensure so me have my phone in my hands. If you ring, me answer it. Babes, just relax, man. Me soon come back, man. Alright?
If you say so, man.
Alright, just do what you do, man. I wash off and get ready. Soon fall. Yo, Jimmy, where the phone?
What go on, Dada?
You know, say, as a link me, I have to forward call link you. So what you say for me, no, brother?
Yeah, man, me a piece and your means for you, yeah?
Alright.
Because me make it so me just make some bama flicky in the Dada.
Alright, give thanks. But you know, so I not go too tired, you know, because mom's down there with me. I don't tell her so I not stand too long. Because she done her front, just say, every minute I just be a road, me depend, so, you know, so I don't want to tarry too long.
Yeah, I remember, you know, my birthday I come up, you know. And a boat cruise.
Yes, a boat settings are here.
Boom, but a boat settings, Daddy. I think kind of turn around, you know.
So you say,
you go on.
so you say, me can forward with mom's?
No, sir. You're alone.
But she got bex, you know, brother. Because she got say a most woman, me carry go, you know.
Well, you are going on, Daddy. You see, Panda Cruise, there are enough women at there. And I'm here to tell you, enough women at there, Dada. So guess what, no. You're alone, come, brother.
Alright, well, from woman did me good, you know. Me good. But me have to go find something tell moms because me know she not go happy, brother. Because nah, mind, she don't feel like she don't like him, you know. So, me know say, she go pre, so that's why I'm not invite her.
And you know say you just say so. Because you always say that, you know. Say, she say, we don't like her.
Yeah, but me know, man, but I know her mind still. So maybe she, you don't know, say, at times, for my friend, I know my woman friend, so she might appreciate say, boy, Ray, you see me? But I just want to then think. But yo, just text me and remind me, you know.
Yeah, man.
So me don't forget, you know.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you say both settings.
Yeah, man.
Alright, that's your word. Alright, brother.
Alright, brother. That's enough.
Yeah, man. How use the bathroom?
Yes, me go brush my teeth. So how you get up and bait? Where you go?
I know some should have said to you still, but you know, say a Jimmy birthday today still, and he went tell me from what they say, they might keep on like a boat cruise and they might invite me to come. A couple of bridges they might go there, you see me? So I hit me up on you now.
So early?
it's an early takeoff, no matter takeoff, because they don't want turn too late on the ocean. You see me? You don't know I'm a virgin like that, so yeah, I'm birthday, so just show respect.
So Lamar, you could think for carry me, you know, so you never carry me go nowhere. Me you never go out, go nowhere at all. Not even on your birthday, me say me go carry you go somewhere and send me a reservation. You not go nowhere. Everything is all about your friends.
Alright, you are going. You know, so when he give me invitation for come on the boat cruise, me ask him if I could carry on him. I said to me, say only one somebody can carry, and myself.
You know why I didn't tell her that? I'm sure that woman I got there on the cruise. Me know that woman out there on the cruise. You tell her that because you see your friends them they don't like me. Your friends don't like me, but it's fine. Excuse me, me go and go brush my teeth.
Yeah, you know, say you're overreacting.
Now make me call name. Excuse me, me go brush.
Alright.
You see, I go on.
You don't know, say, me not have my work again.
When you not work again?
Basically, the boss want in a some farmer thing with me and
Jesus.
me make you know, so yo, me not depend that, you know, and that can't go work.
Dirty
Because me
money.
cannot mix business
With pleasure. and
exactly. So me tell him, so me cannot do that. And the man say,
You run off at work, basically.
and I really him run me off I work and me walk out because me not go did they know and say the boss a pervert. You want me and me not want him. And if you look, and him that I give me them. You know them yeah, they
Yeah,
like
the
a want.
perversion, yeah.
Yeah.
And you got uncomfortable for sure. Cause
So
of,
me just say alright then. Me not want him. But and that me call you over about mainly. Me and me and talk about you don't know no me can't do for time being because me really need to make some money. You're not like at least scamming. You know papers or nothing. You know, so me no put bag line, you know.
I know. You see that line?
Hello, Mr. J. You know them.
Listen to me. I got to tell you from experience. See? I used to be a banger. Tap shatter. When I
So why me
chopper.
can't do it?
Until they say, yeah, me put in so much work and, you know what I mean, me feel like all that was glitter is gold. Till the police don't come in, and when they come in, they take everything. And then when them say to me, say, yo, you hear me? It's either, yo, give me everything and you go to jail. Because I never want to give them nothing, because I say to myself, I work so hard and this police boy come stop my food.
But you know, me a woman, they not go really look funny that the way they say me I do nothing.
And money they want.
Woman more forget how things, you know.
Because you know you're wise. It's just like when you see pervert and you cut off all, thing because you know say, what's best for you is for left that work there. Me I tell you bang in life on the field. I'm sure you advice. See? Because since me start, go down to a butcher shop, go chop meat and me have a little time sometime when the customer them the day and so forth. What me do now is me watch a social media thing and me see one little thing I go on where. If you really want to make a money, fast cash. Because so me still have, pre-certain
Easy
vibes.
cash too.
Easy cash. What you do is find some money where you can, have some food and either you kidnap them or them kidnap you. And you hold that ransom. Meaning, you go sort out one thing in such a way where you can make a big food. Yeah, no
You know,
big friend we have. Yeah, no big friend we have right now you can trick. Just give them a phone call and say you're missing.
Like make somebody, oh, me missing.
You're missing. You know what I mean? One of them things. I don't know how you go fit it in and do a thing like
Me
that.
not be fit it in, man. But that sound good, man. That sound like a good idea, and it sound like a whole heap of money because I know say somebody get kidnapped, And I know look a flanky money we tell us so once.
Exactly.
A big money.
Exactly.
Big money. We not chat no look a flanky.
Because you're wise,
Yeah.
So make a wise step and do what you have to do. But, and let me tell you,
No, man.
you understand?
Okay, bush up ears from my horse, so nobody not hear me.
Yeah, but me I say, let me tell you, but if the thing you go on good, so you can boast me still, you know what I mean? You can make a piece or something. You can't work.
So, when me ask you a question. You pay for your idea? Where you give me?
No, man, you don't know, you have to give me a thing.
Oh, a thing. They sell thing I shopping if I want to buy a friend, I can buy a friend.
You know, see,
So when time I make the money and I feel act back.
you love run joke from morning, cause everything good.
That's one big back thing there and I rubbish man.
Everything
So you
good,
chat
man,
about
yourself.
thing over there, so. So I go on differently.
I'd never tell you, me there, Gideon, I go and hold it up, but make sure, say, you make the right step.
Yeah, man.
Do it fast.
Why me no know Brittany, but this a bother me, and me not tell no lie. You see, me just a say it to you. Just see alone me I say it to you, you know.
What you talk about?
Me, like, you see, based on what me see right now,
Mm-hmm.
me don't think Lamar love me. He don't love me, Brittany.
What you think that?
You know why me say that?
No, that's why I ask you.
No, me I tell you what me see so.
Alright.
We no go nowhere. We don't go nowhere at all. He not even say make him come here and, you know, come chill with me and then look at you know, I just like him we come here in the night and sitting and as daylight, he get up and gone and say how him a go work and this and that and
Alright,
sitting.
look here. Stop the complaining now.
I know say me
Me
a
think
complain. Well, I know say me a complain, Brittany, but
you
me
need
just,
to go to the extreme.
what you mean go to the extreme?
Tell me at about. Me know some girls, you see me, some bad girl. And
And what you
when me
mean?
I try to say now, like, if you go to the extreme, meaning that you need to do something to find out if he really love you. So as me I say, me know some bad girl. We can
So what that have to do?
just listen
Me
to me,
not
sir.
beat nobody or go analyze
No,
nobody,
not
no.
like that there. Me I go link them up and make it look like they kidnap you or something like that there. Okay, you know, so when time me I talk, so me know people, me have links in the street, me know so me have it for real, right? So, but I make them forward in or pretend like say we kidnap you. Me not go make it look like say me night, you know, because I say him know me. So me can it all like a setup thing. So when that happen now, with a video call him, I make him know say yo, I have to come up with such and such money fee can release you. You see me? And if he willing for risking life for you, you can know say he love you. I have to make him know say no police can involve in a what no do. You understand? So if I come for you with the money, no police can do it. Him alone have to come. I say if he not come, the boy don't love you. But if him come, he love you, you know that. Yeah. So if you're willing to do that, well, I guess it can work because I can link up the people them all right now, I can call them.
You don't know what.
What do you mean by you know,
Anything.
look here.
So no, we can't do nothing else.
Look here. This is the best thing to do. You're not willing to go the extreme for know if a boy love you or not. You want to know if him love you. So we are gonna do it.
Alright.
Look here, more than you worry yourself every day and say the boy no love you and care out you and this you and that.
I'm not lying, me I tell me just we can't do it, you know, but me just not feel saying love me for you.
That's the reason.
You know.
Look here, that's the reason why you need to do this here. To look if he in love you. You want to know if he in love you or not. Because based on what you say now, the relationship no look
I lie.
healthy.
If you want to go nowhere, gone with your friend them and sitting there, then they all on boat cruise and they
So
sitting
you
there.
not go to?
No,
You never put it in your
no, in
action
the
and
pan
walk
boat
come?
cruise, in there one place where they ain't show me video and sitting there when I friend birthday and sitting, but then gone out. Then the pan, me say,
Look
where they
here.
then go and then rent one yacht and sitting.
So you have money then? I don't understand that them man have money and you not scandalize that for you, but all me I say you need to do me tell you.
Look here, he ain't give me money, you know. Me not say no give me money or nothing, but just fi give me money so like attention or something, you know, did it.
Well, maybe if this happen, it go teach him a lesson.
But
You
we
see
can
me?
do it still, not no sound bad.
If
We do it and see when we can do it.
anytime when you're ready. Spice! Spice!
Oi! May I come?
Can you come over there? Yeah, come to me.
May I come out here, man?
You just lock up in that place, so.
Girl, me tired. Sleep me asleep. Alright, you know what? Pull the gate and come. You can manage it?
Oh, hold it a gate. No, sir, this a gate a tight, man. So I go on.
There, girl. Me tired, so chill.
You can't recuperate.
No, me not have no time to do that. Me tired. Me
Okay.
tired. What you say?
Anyways, so let me come over here, but when me come over here, but is me have a one crime for 2 hour mash and make a piece of food.
I hope I know nothing bad. What you say now? Because I know your style already, you know. What you say?
Alright, me have one friend.
Mm-hmm.
She named Deja. And she said she have some man problem. Her man, like, she don't know if her man love her or one bag of same thing. So basically, when me I try to say no, bypass. What me I try to say no is, me tell her, say, me know some girl, we can some bad girl. Me never be specific. Alright, by the time they dey on spot, me never dare really think of nobody. Me just say something to her. So true, me know say me and your friend and something, and me know say you have the image there, the bad girl image. Me just say yeah, you would be the right person to play the role then. So me I say no, we're gonna scam her. No, look at me already tell her a prayer. Look at just listen to me now. Me already tell her a prayer. We're going to say we kidnap her and make her man have to bring money and one bag of something. Say,
Me? Me and you?
is he there you gonna help me or
Me,
not?
Brittany.
Y'all get money out of it and not illegal we are do.
And then me get in a problem. Physical women never do
You
before.
know getting a problem, she know about it.
This is my first time.
It don't come like say I want prank. It don't come like I want prank. But by the end of the day you get money out of it.
So by the end of the day, no trouble now go come in it.
No. We're gonna tell the man say no police can involve some if you carry money come forget her. If you carry the money come, you know say money are free.
You think about this first before you come to make a problem. Make me afraid of trouble, you know.
Look here. Everywhere you turn trouble did it.
So anyway, true trouble did it anyway you turn.
Yeah.
You try to put yourself in a trouble and I try to put me in there.
We're not going in trouble. I just simple 1, 2, 3 we do
Alright.
like a big piece of food.
Alright.
That's why I don't want the money.
Alright. You see, I want the money because I kind of dead still for a long time.
Yeah.
I have some bills to sort out.
Alright.
You know, me done and my things set already.
Now you're talking.
And my clothes and everything can put on and look like the real bad girl.
So we say tomorrow brighter. Not tell brighter early. Me link you by the way.
Yeah.
Me link can't tell you when. Come up work with fear time you know, because I must say I fear thing. And I share go I fear money. You see me? Kind thing we are a fisherman.
Alright, like how this is a plan. Me have to go tell you where to meet me.
Yeah.
No, me know when you carry her come on me yard.
No, she fi come and me know she know say you go have and disguise everything mass up.
Alright. Alright.
Look here.
You what me I say?
Make sure say you deal with this like a pro. Nobody come and chat about yo. No. Deal with it like a day night long time.
You know say you take me for fool. Not because I never do this before. Me no idiot. Me know what me fi do when certain things come down and the money me I work for girl.
Now you're
You idiot.
talking.
Here I know. You remember few years ago over one bushy place where we did go look the mango them the time? Just go link me right there so the bush. Same place where the tree there. Me don't come out of the bush and come on the front come stand up and wait for you till you no come.
Alright then, yeah, me tell her when do. Me never tomorrow or next day. But me make you know.
Alright, girl, guess what? Me did tired and I sleep and you wake me up so little more. See?
You love hear them too much.
Girl, I'm tired. Tired bad.
Tired.
Brittany, how much further we have to go look how far you coming, man?
Just come on, man. That's right over there so we are go. You know, lamb not come in my bush here.
Go along here tell me say alright this. I'm tired.
What you call do? Look. See a lady over there so we are go. Come on, man.
Which one?
See her over there so you're blind. Wow, go on, Spice.
You hear me? You hear me?
You may hear
You see that name there? You go easy for that name there. You see my street name is Zena. So you see anytime you want to link me, just remember to say Zena.
Alright then.
You understand? You no matter who you're there beside her, just say Zena. See?
Yeah.
Alright.
So cut to the chase so we are talking about, you know. She and the girl.
Yeah.
As me did say over the phone, what we are gonna do. So mother make she talk to you and tell her more. You see me? Because I fear her thing.
Yeah.
You know if you deal with the thing already, you see me?
Yeah. So there you
Just
say
deal
now.
with the thing good, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Basically, me have my man and me just feel like say he don't love me. So, as Brittany say, she have one plan where it can be executed and this is going to the extreme. Wherein gonna go plan and kidnap me.
Wait there, hold on. You see that turf here? And me run this.
Someone know how the money part I go.
Don't worry about money, man. Money go come. Cause guess what? As she tell me, so she explained to you, you go kidnap me, and then we go call him and tell him, say,
No
listen.
man, me can't work and I know the money part I go. How the money part I go? Who I go pay me? You are your man.
All right, me go give you one piece of money, but like just for executing, me go give you one piece of money. But what we go do now, you go call him and tell him, say, listen. Basically, you go show him, say, me get kidnapped. Cause a video call, we go video call.
Hold on, what this
with
is
my
all about?
phone.
This is a jealous thing or what?
I don't know jealousy, me just want to prove he say he love me. So we want to know if he go risk his life, he can save me. You understand that I just basically what me want.
Alright,
Wanna go kidnap me? Well, I know. Wanna go kidnap me? Wanna no kidnap me? Call him on the phone and say, yo, this is it. See your woman there say no, you go have to forward with exercise the amount of money, and if you're not forward, you know say she go dead within 24 hours or whatever.
You know have to tell her if you say no.
Alright.
I feel we
So
drop that.
basically that is it.
Alright, deal is done. So you say,
Alright.
your man a pay me or you?
Alright, you see when you carry money come carry money come, you know. So you see when you carry money come, you go get fake out it and me take the
Alright,
rest of
deal.
the steady.
Deal, everything's
Yeah.
half a set. So what do your name?
Zina, me no need to tell her my name. Me need to tell her my name.
You have to tell me your name, you know. You need to tell me your name. You don't need to know my name.
Me already know your name, Zina, but Deja my name, man.
Deja. Alright, so you hear me now? You have my number. You do the calling. Don't give her my number. Anytime you want me, just call me. See? Big up yourself.
Alright, big up
The
yourself,
deal is
Spice.
done.
I mean, Zina.
Yeah, match crime, you know.
Boy, Brittany, me no know, but me not trust him, you know.
You mean not
He look like, he woman look like a real criminal. Me if you wonder if he's a man that.
Oi, no criminal I want, a criminal
No,
I get.
sir.
So stop your eyes. So
I
you say free.
need to talk to you about something. Just come over here, sir. You hear me?
So you say I go and pay now.
Alright, here now. Me get one little job. For mash. But you know me I no bad girl for a long time. But money depend the work. You see true me know say you like do them kind of things because your thing them there. Want me you figure mash the roots there. I want mash up your road
So-
bad.
You know how much money, so?
You know,
How
say
much
me
me I
no,
gonna get though,
me no
sorry?
definitely know exactly how much, but me and them they talk about it. So you see, if me get 70%, they give you 30.
No, sir. That have to reverse, man. That have to... You're mad, man. And me, I forget the 70% and you get the 30. You're mad?
If me get it 70, me give you 30 out there and me take 40. Or, I know nothing. Me know you a long time me a bridging, we can split it even. You can get 35 and me get 35. Deal?
No. And me and you do the work. You can't get the same as me. Because you not do nothing.
Then
you
that's
only
why I
come to
told
me
you.
for come
But I
ask you for help you.
Yes, me know.
Alright, watch
But
you
listen.
me work with that. Me
Alright,
work with
here
that.
I
Don't
know.
worry
Me a
yourself.
sitting for tell you. Remember say me know you a long time, you know, my girl. Alright, listen what me I say now. You see the job where we are going to do? I want fake thing. I know nothing real.
Alright,
It's
what that now?
It's a fake kidnap. We are going to kidnap one woman. I not remember what woman name, but we will kidnap that girl. You see? But a fake thing we are doing, you know, forget the money, you know. So, me know say you're a serious girl for a long time, you know. So, guess what now, no? We are going to mash the road.
Okay, me no want nobody know about this, you know.
No, man, hear ya.
Me no want nobody to know about this, you know.
You know me.
You know, pretty sitting to get catch, so me no want nobody know them are sitting here. So make sure you keep this between me and
Oi,
you.
this is between me and you. Any history I would have you, I wouldn't me. Because if me never serious about this, me couldn't call you. Because me know you're serious for your thing.
And make sure you know who you are tell them are sitting here and who you not tell them are sitting
We
here.
not
As a
tell
matter of fact,
nobody.
not tell nobody. But then again, next thing too, me know you a long time, me know, but me not give me number. How you get me number?
Don't worry about it, man. That one of my friend give me. You understand? And you know the person good too, you know? So me get the link right there, so.
Alright, here we go on now. Me link you.
Alright,
So
cool.
just
You see if you don't see me call you, call me.
me link you.
Alright, cool. Now watch your face. Remember, say we have our work for mash, you know.
Alright, big up yourself.
All right.
Why, Brittany, where bad girl in there? How long would they saw wait and me can see them and come?
Just calm down with they so forward. Look here, them a girl and a bail power. You see me? As they reach a business they mean. And nobody look here.
You feel like me nobody want to do
Oi,
this right now.
you can't back out. I done in a hit already. I don't talk to her. You must see why things got dirty. Tapping nice and long
Call
and
them man
wait.
and see how far they in there.
Look here, by the end of the day, you say worthy. Me I tell you. Just long and wait, no man. Me call him.
Me a patient in a Brittany, but me there.
No, me call him because I don't know where you are going so far.
I just want to get this over with and done. I just want to prove a point.
Girl, you're a mumber. Yes, Pat. Me mean Zena. I wish Pat you there. Oh, you're so forward. You see like you're really feeling with you. Alright. Alright then, with the spot away point, just hurry on forward, please. Alright. Yeah.
Who for dead? Who no son? Who no still got dead? Who for dead?
Give me a minute there, please. Come here. How if you carry a girl come with gun? Me not tell us you want to see something we do. Hello, we don't want nobody dead, you know. We don't want no gun involved in this, you know. So
Calm down. Just calm down.
Oi,
Wait up.
calm down, we don't want missing gun.
No, man, calm down. Just don't worry yourself. Nobody now dead.
No, sir.
So, you hear me?
Mm.
I never know say carry gun.
When my man should go with gun and he hear say a fake.
Alright, shh, you talk too
You're
loud.
lucky here. You're lucky. Cause all no me intention of come here come kill a girl or kill a boy.
alright.
So
Remember
she-
say fake in a real.
I want to make a she you down, pan a she
In a real.
Hold on.
Yo, calm down yourself,
thing
too,
is-
because you don't know me, I will make dirty and
Alright.
In a real.
Hold on.
yourself.
Hold on. Put that one side.
Come
Put that
on,
one side.
like, calm down yourself.
Put it
Yo,
one
no
side.
deal with her.
What kind of cross is this now, man?
You talk too loud.
Deal with her, too. Deal with her.
Yo,
Me no
ease
know
on
nothing with
yourself.
her.
Ease on yourself. No, remember, listen to me. Police. Yo, listen. Yo, you
Hey,
hear
girl,
me?
watch it in the
Start
man.
out the thing and make you know where we're going right there. So. Video your man right now, you know. And make you know where I go down, you know.
And that one if you tell me.
But this is no jokes, a serious thing. Best believe. Start right now.
Help me out. Do it.
Please, me get kidnapped. Me in a abandoned building. Me don't know, baby. Me I beg you, please do. See if you can help me. They say I want $500,000.
Yo, hurry up and talk to him.
So
Quick
let
and
me
fast.
go. Me I beg you, please, me baby, please. Me know say you love me.
Give me this.
Me no
Give me
want.
this.
Me no want lose.
Yo,
you.
give me phone. Give me phone. Yo. Alright, now you have to send it. Best believe.
Please, baby, please.
Else you're going to lose your girl.
Please, baby.
Hold that.
Please, baby.
Any end of sending, your girl are got dead.
Hang on, yeah. Right now.
Yes. Oi.
Me send it to you.
Yeah, man.
No.
Look here. Don't send the video there yet. Make him a worry. Make him stress out. And then you're going to know if him man love you and then
And you want to do them as sitting here, brother. And you never have no idea where you do. Yo.
Brittany,
Oi.
give me a minute.
Yeah, I want.
Me I wonder if you see danger.
No, me not see danger. I want.
Because me know say through you and she her best friend, you done must actually either know where she there or sitting.
Where she
Or
there?
if she have man with me, because I know so she kind of look a bit vexed with me through my go upon boat cruise with me bridging them. But from when me not see her, me I wonder what really are going.
From when I not see her, me not understand. Explain to me.
Yeah, from when like from must around 2 or 3 nights now she not come in and me I wonder if I sit happen to her. And you normally know say if you know see people for one couple days you call their phone or you message them and you not get no response. I boss missing name, Mrs. say I have to go report you. So I say, boy, I ask you before me go report your station.
Tell the honest truth. I day before I think I day before yesterday or the last time I see her, she come over here and she come over here come look for me. And then she tell me say she go up on the road and then she go in back and that's all when I hear back from her. She never call me and tell me when she reach in or nothing. You see me? Cause I know so we friendship close like that. Even if we not talk for 1 year, we good said way. You see me so? I don't know what to say to be honest.
Alright. So me go see if me can go report you, man, because
Report, look here. It don't make no sense to report it as yet. Just go and wait. Don't report it yet, man.
alright.
You don't think it too fast. Don't report it
You not
yet.
even know, you know, because I don't want if I not done if saving her life, you know, she miss that me go lay anything bad happen.
No, look here. Just go and wall out. No go to no police nor nothing.
Alright.
If I want help to look for her, me will help you look for her. Don't go to no police. Police now go help.
Alright, if you hear nothing I hear from her, just shout me, alright?
Alright then, me do that then.
Alright
But
then.
remember as me said, don't go to no police. No get no police involved in this right you know.
Alright
As
then.
yet.
Alright then, later. Thank you, here.
Alright then.
Yeah, that's a go on. Alright, I say nothing. Now look more you call me back, please. Alright. Boom, what go on, man? How you look so?
There, man. Brother, I don't know what really I go on now. That's just me look so calm. Me don't know where mom's the brother. She just cut. And me I call her phone, me nah get her. Me go link her friend so she not see her. So right now, me confused, brother. Me don't know what to do.
No, man, you know, say might be a cut she cut, man.
Cut. No, so she wouldn't just cut son and say something to me.
How you mean?
I say something to her friend.
Our friend. Remember say, you know, when you learn this, you know. Remember say you go on boat cruise, you know. And you never carry her.
I never did think about that still, because you know, so she did all vexed about the whole boat cruise thing still. And I said, you would not like him, and I said, I couldn't invite her. But,
No, man, but she can't say we don't like her.
but yeah, brother. Me appreciate maybe me have to go report it to the police that she missing, you know.
Right thing you do that. So unlike how she missed the time, she done glad, you know. Everywhere I two hours there. Everywhere me see it 2 hours. You can't get no break, you know, daddy.
Maybe if I cut you and cut more than not to feel too bad, but if I sit happen to her, brother, I not go feel comfortable if you know say I'm a woman and something bad happen. So, here what?
Yeah.
Me gonna see if I can report it, and I will just make you know what I go.
Yeah, man, do you that, man.
Alright, so look
But
more.
I cut, she cut, though.
Yo, brother, let's see how we ready now. I look more now, see?
Alright, daddy.
Alright, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. What seems to be the matter?
Yeah, afternoon, officer. My girlfriend no come home 3 days now, and it's unlike her. So I just come to file a missing persons report.
When you say no come home, what you mean?
She normally come home every night, and or if me come home before her, me normally see her and she there at home, but me no see her, and she never did ever suck me yet.
So on the day where you say she missing, how long now you say she missing?
No, me already know if I'm missing, she missing, but she just don't come home, so me kinda worry about her. Me I call her phone and me not get her, so me just come for make it be known.
What is the girl name?
She named Murty Black, but them call her Deja.
Okay, so that is her alias, Deja. Alright. So in the instance of this female not coming home, did you guys have a fight?
No, we never. Well, I mean, we did have not a fight, but a little disagreement, but not a fight. Just normal couple.
Yes.
Yeah, normal couple talk, but not really a disagreement.
So she has another house where she could have go to?
I don't know enough officer to tell you the truth.
The story not connect, you know. Because then, if you're female, if you're a lady where you say you live with, Nah come home. How me know say you not behind all of this?
Me not have nothing. Me not have nothing to do with nothing, officer. To tell you the truth. But I love to do some investigation and find out if something happened to her.
On the day of her leaving, what color clothes she did in?
I think she went in our.
Come no boss man, stop your guessing no man. It's either you know or you don't know. Cause I don't understand these people. You know, come in here you know, and you know come with no concrete evidence. Look here now. I can't make a report unless you have leading evidence to me to go do some work.
Alright, she did now on jeans pants and I think I want grey blouse.
And jeans pants. What color jeans?
Blue jeans.
Blue jeans, grey blouse. Alright. She wear glasses?
No.
Falls here?
Yeah.
She falls here, because you don't know what them change, you know. Alright, she falls here. And you say you don't have no other person who should have probably go check her friend or family member?
Oh, yeah. She have one friend named Brittany. She always talk to Brittany.
Brittany.
Yeah. So you probably could have find out from Brittany.
You have Brittany number?
No, I don't have her number.
How long you on this woman there?
I'm with her for around 3 years.
3 years. So how comes you don't have her best friend number?
Her best friend and my friend, so I don't really have her number. You know, woman stay they don't want their man have their best friend number.
Alright. What is your name?
Lamar Walker.
Lamar Walker. Alright. What is your number, sir?
278 42 43.
42, 43. And you say our best friend, Brittany? Brittany what? You have her last name?
Brittany Wilson, I think she name.
Brittany Wilson. Alright. Alright, here what? Don't worry yourself. I'll go and do some work, check some people, make some calls, and find out if she pop up anywhere else. But in the meantime, I'll put down my number right here, sir. Should in case you remember anything that can assist with this case, I want you to contact me as soon as possible. Alright?
Alright, thanks, sir.
Rest assured, we're going to do the best we can.
Mr. Jimmy, is that you, sir? Yeah, man. What go on, officer?
Good afternoon, sir. How you doing?
No, sir. I'm there, man.
Yes, Mr. Jimmy, that is you, correct?
Yeah, man. What go on, officer?
Okay. So, you know one Lamar Walker?
Lamar Walker.
Yes.
I'm a virgin, man.
A virgin?
Me and him go to school together, yeah.
Okay. So you are aware that his girlfriend, Miss Murty Black, is missing, yes?
No, I'm not aware of saying missing.
Yeah, man. A missing report has been filed, and I'm here investigating.
Oh, you know what say Lamar did tell me say, like you know see him for a couple of days, but me tell him say, she run off because me invite him for my virgin on a boat cruise.
So
and she never feel good about it.
So what you say? Them a fight? Him a beat her?
Fight.
Yeah, no, man, then you just say she run off, she run off, man, and that you just tell me.
Say she run off. Officer, pause. Listen to me. You say she run off.
Yes.
You never said the end of fight.
So you know say she run off?
Me tell about fight.
So you know say she run off?
So if the man tell me say, he no see woman for 2 days. I know in a house where they live in the woman there. The man would know. Even if she hide under the bed, he would know.
Do you know where this woman is?
No.
Has she turned up in your vicinity any at all?
If me see him, me have to tell my virgin.
Okay.
Once me see him, me have to tell him.
So, prior to this, you know about any form of domestic violence that your friend has been coming up with or causing?
Who, Lamar?
Yes.
Nah, man.
Yes, sir.
Them the man right now, them the man there. I'm going to tell you this, man. Boy, you know what's enough time. Enough time I look at him and I tell him, say, everywhere. Him there. He making you woman pose up there. That man would have never hurt that woman.
You'll be surprised to know what go on in these times, you know. Because a man can show you a side of them and then behind closed door, a be beating and buffing she get, you know. You don't know what's happening.
You're
so
right.
The relationship may look pretty on the outside, but it look dark on the inside.
No, you know dark on the inside.
You vouch for him for that?
You know, look, you know, just like how you say, and you can look, and I say it look dark on the inside. See, so I can look and say it look good on the inside. According to how you look on it. or according to who I give you information. Might be somebody I give you information when I like. Feel me, Virgin?
Well, Sir Jimmy, right now, everybody is a suspect, Every and anybody who is affiliated with, by knowledge, by family, by friends, or association with this lady, Miss Black, is a suspect. So I'd advise you, if you not go anywhere sudden, you nor anybody you know that knows her. And if any at all, that young lady pop up and you see her, I want me to be the very first person you contact her. You get that?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Remember now,
Yes, sir.
don't go anywhere.
No, man, I go there,
And as a matter of fact, do not tell anybody that we had this conversation. Keep this between me and you, alright? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I came as soon as I got the call. Take it that you have some information for me.
This is serious. So me get one video from them. From them. Let me start it back. So it look like they capture her.
Wait. When did you get this?
Me just get it today.
Today you got this?
Mm-hmm.
You recognize any of these individuals that beside her?
No, officer, they have a mask.
I need you to send me this video.
Alright, now you have to finish. Best believe. You're gonna lose your girl.
These woodlums. That is a firearm in the background?
Yes, officer. Yes, officer.
Send me this video.
Right.
Send that video to me. What? And they require a ransom.
Yeah, man. Yes, officer. So then say them must send another video. Make and tell me which part for drop you off.
Alright, brother. Don't worry yourself. This is what I'm going to do. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
May I have my seat?
Please. My name is Inspector Cockett.
Okay,
Yes, and you are Brittany, correct?
Correct.
Right. Are you aware of why I'm here?
No.
Okay, so someone had come to the station and reported one Deja missing. And
Deja missing.
yes, Deja.
That's my friend.
That was what I was made to believe. And so I am doing an investigation in finding her whereabouts. My first question to you is, would you know her? Do you know where Deja is?
No.
When was the last time you have seen Deja?
I think 3 days ago.
3 days ago. Where was this?
Huh?
Where did you see her?
She came to visit me at my home.
At this present location?
Yes.
Okay.
That was the last time I saw her.
Do you can you tell me as to what time or what was the nature of the visit?
I think I think 1:32.
That was the time she left?
Yes.
Okay. What was the nature of the visit?
The nature of the visit?
Yes. What she come look for you for?
No, my friend, like, just go heal me.
No specific reason.
No.
Or did she seem at all upset or disturbed, fatigued? Did she look abnormal any at all during the visit?
No.
Did she say anything to you out of the ordinary?
No.
Okay. Did you notice if she had received any form of call or anything during that tenure that she was here?
No.
All right. Did she say to you where she was going after she left your house?
I think she said she was gonna go on the road, then she go home. Something like that.
Alright, so in telling you she going on the road, did she mention as to where exactly she was going?
No,
She did not? Or to whom she was going to?
no.
Alright, so please do understand I'm asking these questions just to get clarity as to where Miss Deja might be. And basically, this information is not so much helpful, you know. But hear what? If, have you tried calling her since the past 3 days?
Yes, but she's not picking up.
She's not
So,
picking up her phone. So, Miss Brittany,
yes.
are you sure there is nothing on this day that she might have said or mentioned?
I, wait there. When she did come over here, she did say something like, she and her boyfriend is having some form of difficulties.
Yes?
They might have problem with their relationship. That's all she did say to me, to be honest.
Miss Brittany, you have been very much helpful. So what I would have you do to me for me, yes? Is you see if she at all should contact you during the course of today or whenever, I'd have you please to contact us down by the station as soon as possible.
Alright.
Because it's very important that we find out what took place or what has happened within the past 3 days. Alright?
Okay.
Alright then. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Alright. Have yourself a good day, yes?
Alright, same to you.
Yes.
Look over Spice. Spice!
Oi!
Spice!
What
Come
go
on
on?
now. Come on, Tasso. They want a hot.
How am?
They want a hot. Come.
How am? Everything good?
I mean, if everything good.
How am?
Yesterday, Deja boyfriend come to me. Today, police come to me. And I ask
Police?
Them ask me if me no see her, because they know say me and her a close friend. To tell you the honest truth, I don't know what to do. Look here, I think a time for we do what we have to do. We have to go reach past there right now and video call him boyfriend and make him know say Ray. You see me, because me nah do this.
I don't understand this, sir. So wait. The deal not done yet.
You know,
It not complete yet.
how if it complete?
And police involved in it. How police know about this?
No must see him boyfriend. He report her missing.
A lie.
What me I tell lie if police then come to
Jesus
me
Christ,
today
you
and
see,
say,
me never want to do this, you know.
Look here, nobody give up. We just go down there and we'll call him, we'll call our boyfriend. And then we start.
Hello.
Pan video call.
You see that word they give up? Easy to say. But it kind of difficult, hard to do. What you mean me no fi bother give up? Right now, you know, see the police.
Money we are making now?
Money, but a problem we in right now.
Take your time and talk, because remember say bush have ears.
You see it? Me never want to do this. Because you know, say me not the type of person there already.
Yeah.
Me never want to involve in a day
day
something there, you know.
And then we just collect your money and just call it.
So you get the money same time?
Yes.
All
That's
right.
why I tell us we're going to do it from now.
All right, make we just do it and done because me can't bother with
Then
this.
get ready then, now we are pan.
All right, cool.
Look here and please, you see the bad girlfriend we have, bring her too.
Then after me then go left her. You feel say me an idiot as she a do the work, you must think of me.
What? Let's
You know,
talk
put me
in
in
a
no
more
trouble, you know. Me
working.
tell us something now, you know, Brittany. You see any little thing go down, me a inform pan everybody come in and put myself in a no problem for please nobody, you know.
If you in a problem, all in a problem, so just go
If
on.
me in a problem, I mean start this, Brittany, mind
Alright,
my
never mind, go on.
Me a tell the police everything.
Come now man, let's
Oh.
talk in a more working. Me must carry the girl, me go meet her down. Me a go down there go wait upon you.
All right, look more later.
Alright.
Yo, where you dealing? A time for this over now, you know. Cause police involved.
Police!
Yes, police, and this a serious someone deal with it and done with it.
Alright, guess some. We are going to school. We now bother do it.
We don't mean enough for that do it.
Oi!
Yo!
Yes, with time we have to get money come.
You see, I'll do a fake. Me will make it real. Don't do that. Cause me tuggy over here, so you know. Even if me not do it, you know, she will get the deal done. And that you have to know. Oh.
Alright. Me call him.
Right
See what I
now.
go do?
Right now, send a video call, go get that.
Come, hurry up now.
Big and serious. Right now. You fan? Take out your phone.
Oi. Me go step aside now, because I say, I no mask, but I no want to know say me in this, because your man don't know me already. So I take myself and go over here, so. So I no go and do all that, me turn up and watch.
Hurry up, my girl.
Babes, you see? Tell us you never even call no police. I call policeman. People them. I don't know who it is. I don't know who it is.
Yo, hurry up on top. Money we want right now to do we work.
Baby, please, me I beg you.
Hey, girl, I daddy, I got daddy, if you don't send me that. Yo, give me that phone here. Yo, I kill me, I got kill that girl if you don't send that money, I can't give me that. Daddy, your girl, I got dead.
Let's believe. Hold that.
As a matter of fact, cut it short.
Baby, please, me I beg you. Baby, please. Please, baby, please. Yo, Daddy, good.
That good, you know? Yo, I get through.
God, where's Zina?
Money. Right away. Yo, remember say no? We share, you know, but I take your money for yourself, you know.
No, man, me must say, man, he more come true, man.
Oi. We don't want to look a rough draft money, we don't want to look a bit of
Relax
chunk
now,
change.
Brittany, relax now.
A
You know,
big money we want, me tell her that for now.
me did want, you know, look how much the teardrops coming up.
So you say, I saw them say if you drop off the money?
Yeah, man, you say if you drop you off right over there, some spot, then grave them, put you right between two graves.
Between the two grave. Alright, so here we are gonna go. You go neatly go over there, go drop it off. Don't let nobody see you, you know. Drop it off and leave it, and then we take it from this.
Alright,
I'm gonna make sure so me catch them today.
alright, officer, roger that. Alright.
Alright, now go set up right, so go and go deal with it.
Brittany, soon come and... Money,
Everybody freeze! None on the door move!
Thank you,
No, no, hey, no bother with it! Me said no bother with it! Oi, you hold on to the first part of it! Oi, go back over this! Go back over this, so! Me said go back over this, so! Uno bunch of unscrupulous people, you know? I want to really take people for? So wait! Are you...
You Brittany!
If me, I go too.
Oh yes, man!
Kidnap me!
Yo,
Nobody with what?
bother with you, know.
Nobody with what?
Bother with you, know, girl.
Nobody with what?
Me no involved in them.
Officer, let them up!
Hey, do whole line go pan the wall. Do whole line go pan the wall. Over pan the wall. Over pan the wall. Me say over pan the wall.
Officer!
Over the pan the wall.
Don't touch me!
Me say over the pan the wall.
You involved in this.
Pan the wall. Pan the wall. Pan the wall. The whole line.
Love you and want money.
Peace and peace. This is a big cross. But what could have caused this poor woman?
Are you involved in this?
Yo, yeah man, watch out now. Me catch you four of them. The whole of them guilty. Come, I need help. Yo, me say I catch the four of them red-handed, this unscrupulous bunch of... Turn around to the wall, me not talking to no. Me say, yo, a piece of sitting... Put down the money and go back to the wall, mo. But what could have caused all of this? Turn on your face, I don't want to see none on your face. In the next, as a matter of fact, come right now, back up, back.
Mom to you.
Deja.
What they call her Deja.
Okay, bro.
Deja.
Yeah, man, murder.
How long you on this woman there?
I'm with you for around 3 years.
3 years. So how comes you not have our best friend number?
Our best friend and my friend.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. What seems to be the matter?
Yes, afternoon, officer. I am here to report. Why say it different? I am here to report, man. Oh no, I say I'm here to report. My girlfriend has been missing.
You're here to find a missing report and a video.
My girlfriend has been missing for no, my girlfriend hasn't come home for a few days, and I'm a bit concerned because it's unlike her. So I want to file a missing report.
So prior to your girlfriend being missing, were you guys in any fight?
Officer, what are you trying to say?
No, I'm just asking because I've been getting a lot of these reports lately, and most of these situations happen immediately after a fight or a fussing or the female.
Where's some more aggressive crowd? Where's some more? No, but I think I've been on record.
It's not record.
The more it's some more aggressive too.
Okay.
Because police don't imply things though.
And I him come make the report. If I did somebody else make the report.
So yeah, say, oh, they might fight, my beat her.
Yeah, that's what I go. Start. Right, so right, yeah.
Oh, they might fight, my beat her. No, we don't want to say that to the officer.
Ready.
Ready now. Ready.
Oh, so what you say? They might fight. He might beat her.
Fight.
Yeah, man, then you just say she run off, she run off, man, that you just tell me.
She run off. Officer, pause. Listen to me. You say she run off.
Yes.
You never said the end of fight.
So you know say she run off.
Me tell about fight.
So you know say she run off.
It's close to my LTV. Don't all involve me on phone kidnapping. That's not close, yeah. Then LG, go for the phone and call. Back up. Then now, Benjamin, action. Pretty come back on top and Sabak.
So where do you say? Ready? Mind the side of Brittany, give him your mic. I feel tight. Oh.
So Murty, just don't talk. We're not going in. Don't talk like this.
So where do you say now?
No, wait, let me see.
Oh. Okay.
Ready?
You give up your work.
Ready?
Right.
Now we're ready.
Action. Give up your work. No, a character man, you know, and a character.
Alright, brother. Don't worry yourself. This is what I'm going to do. Good. And then the flash.
Cut the camera and shift over. Check it this and make you walk here. Tighten it. You know it a blink? Hurry up, make it done before you done.
So I go Lamar.
Then me I wonder if what my girlfriend name?
Deja.
Over it.
It's tired. What you say?
Anyway, so let me come over here, but when me come over here, but is never one crime for 2 hours mash and make a piece of food.
Oh, but nothing bad. Yes, I know, because I know your style already. Where you say?
Alright, me have one friend. She named Deja. Yeah. And she say her man I give her. Eh, no sir, me was she 2 man there one time.
No must I get me right in front of me and then go down the cover that me no go sorry. Yeah, you want teardrops?
Of course.
Wait. Darling, in a, during the conversation you will come, I say don't. You're not going to discount so. Baby.
Jesus Christ, we don't laugh.
Yeah, well, baby, come.
Come on, Javi, come on.
We are ready. Just it. This, yo, right now we life full on. Babes, you see, tell us you never need to call no police. You go get police involved. You go get police involved. You want the money we want, you know? You please. We want the money right now.
Exactly.
Yo,
Kill
money
you.
we say.
The man on the phone say, yo, make sure if you send the money come to that girl and come here, kill him, you know. Yo, what did you go do in a girl? You better make sure say by later the
If
people
one
get the
story
money
is full
there.
in our record.
Where your phone?
Let me use that. Let me find it. Get rid of that.
Wait. No, don't move. Then you calm down and get back like saying no. Alright, so that did good. So that did good. And then Brittany can walk up tonight. Alright, so check with the pandemic. Alright, so walk back. See me, you don't see me anymore than this. So do I wear the shot? Yeah, forget I wear the shot. Come here. Come on, the tight see me, man, so I can. Alright, go like choose the number. So Brittany, you want to try divert it. Alright, so LG, you want to say something like if she don't know, like I try to push, like I try to make her say something. Like I want some information. So Brittany, when you can say no, making kind of divert it from you, you can say to him, say, when should he come look for you? Should he say something about her and her boyfriend having problems?
Oh. So you can, okay, so you have to say, oh yeah, she did say something, you know. So you have to go back to that, you know, you can ask her. Alright, so, when you're ready.
And to be honest.
Alright, so Javi, give me a wide shot. So now me I go say to you, say, don't for call, no for report. No, so no report yet. Wait a little bit first. So alright, thank you, but me I go see if me can go report you, man. You say, no report it. Come before the batch they did. No report it. No can't tell it. Tell me, Javi. Action. Ready now, action.
You want to see the shirt already, right? Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know me I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them in use, make the capsule them, and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox.
Thank you guys for watching. We have reached the end of the movie here, and you don't know the work continues. More of us a big up to Auntie Bev Reach Out Foundation. I hope me get it right. You don't know. Thank you for always supporting Richard Brown Films. We do appreciate the love and support. You see me? All right. So we always get new females in terms of to be a part of what we are doing here. And one of the things I've decided that I want to do, because if I'm going to step into the realm of doing films at a certain caliber, I'm gonna need certain type of females to be a part of what me I do. So I want a young female anywhere from 18-year-old to 30. If you're anywhere between 18 to 30, link me up on Instagram, Richard Brown Films. What I want is not only just to just run, come and act. I want somebody where I can train, get them up to speed, and direct them how I want them so they can deliver in the art of acting. So reach out to me if you're interested in acting, and we'll see how we can get the thing done.